Hi, my name is Sara Garcia, and my mission here today is to open your eyes to the amazing idea that is creating a mobile app game for the chilling adventures of Sabrina that you created here on Netflix. But before I tell you how that is going to look, I'm going to tell you how that's going to be developed. And for that, I'll use a slideshow. Starting with the basics, this video game should be developed by Valve Corporation, that is the development company that works with the distribution platform Steam, that is responsible for very successful games such as Silent Hill and Far Cry. The game is going to be a simulation game that gives the audience a complement of content for the first and only season that the show has aired until now. All the main witch characters, such as Sabrina, of course, Ambrose, the three sisters, Hilda, Zelda, and the Father Blackwood, will be present, even though the only player character is going to be Sabrina. The main mortals, such as Harvey, Ross, and Susie, will be present as well. The game will start with a short recap of Sabrina's life as a comic book style. Then we will find Sabrina in her room reading a magic book, and the player will choose between two spells. One spell will unleash a demon, and the other will transport Sabrina into the other realm. The catch is that the player won't know which spell does what until she or he chooses. So, if she's transported to the other realm, she will have to fight and overcome different obstacles that will be part of her heroine, just as in episode 4 of the series. The only difference will be that now the player will have the power to choose and use different spells, call Solon, Ambrose, or even her aunts to overcome everything. If the player chooses to stay in the real world, she will have to face different dangers, such as Madame Satan infringing pain to her friends, and she will have to save them. The player will be able to walk and see the town and enter the different stores that Sabrina visited on the series, and even go inside Baxter High. After the heroine stage, Sabrina will be also able to call the three sisters and combine their powers to solve obstacles and confront Father Blackwood. The game will have 10 levels, just as the series, and each level will complement the story told in the show. The marketing strategy for this game will be very simple. We will have the actors of the series playing the game on their phones and showing them in the different platforms in social media. Also, we will promote the game on Netflix different social media platforms. But the biggest thing is that news agencies will cover the launching of the game as Netflix groundbreaking first mobile game app. And we will use the game to actually market the second season of the series, proposing the fans exclusive hints for season 2 when they play the last level of the game.